Hazrat Shaddad bin Anas radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The best supplication for seeking pardon is, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you are my Lord. There is no worthy of worship saves you. You have created me, and I am your bondsman, and I am steadfast to my utmost capacity in the covenant and promise I made with you. I acknowledge the favors you bestowed on me as well as confessing my sins before you, so you may pardon me, for none saves you can pardon my sins. I seek refuge with you against the evils of my doings. If someone pronounces it in the evening and dies during the night, he will certainly enter paradise or will be one of the inmates of paradise. If he recites it in the morning and dies during that day, even then he will enter paradise." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6323.